Hi everyone. Today's topic is inequalities. Here they given first one. If only conclusion 1 is true. So we have to write it answer 1. If only conclusion 2 means 2. Like this 3, 4, 5. 5 options they given. First question. Statement. A equals to B less than C greater than or equals to D greater than E. Conclusion. A less than D. Second conclusion, C greater than D. Now we have to check the conclusions from statement. Here A they given, D they given. So whenever equal sign is there, we can shift it A, B here. So I am writing A less than C greater than or equals to D. In between A and D, opposite signs are there. Whenever opposite signs, it is false. Next. C greater than E. C is here, E is here. C greater than or equals to D greater than E. So greater than or equals to greater. See here. Greater than or equals to or greater than or equals to greater. Anything. So what will come? Greater will come. So greater than or equals to greater will come. C greater E. C greater E. It is true. Second one is true, right? So here if only conclusion 2 is true. So what is the answer? 2. This 2 answer. So answer is 2. Next statement. Second question. C less than O greater than or equals to M greater than P equals to T greater S. Conclusion. S less than O. Second. T less than C. S O. So here 2. Here. See, O greater than or equals to M greater P equals to T greater S. Greater than or equals to. I already discussed greater than or equals to. So greater will come. O greater P equals to O greater P equals to T greater S. Greater equal. See here, greater than equal. Equal with any sign, the same on sign only will come. See, equal with any sign, same sign will come. So, O greater T greater S. Greater. Whenever both are same, it will come same. So, greater. O greater S. O greater than S. O side what is the greater is there. So it is true. Next. T less than C. T is here. C is here. So in between C and T, opposite signs are there in middle. Again I will repeat, C and T in between opposite signs. So it is false. First one is true. If only conclusion 1 is true. So answer is 1. So answer 1. Next, Z equals M less than T greater than or equals F greater U. Z less than F. See here, in between Z and F, opposite signs. Whenever opposite signs, it is false. Next, U less than M. U is here, M is here. In between M and U, opposite signs are there. So it is false. Whenever both are false, we have to check it either or neither. So first condition is satisfied. Both are false. Next, subject no. Predicate no. Means Z here not there, F also not there. So both are, second condition is false. It is a neither. Both are false. Neither means, see, if neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 is true. So answer is 4. That's why I wrote 4. Next, A greater B greater than or equals to C equals to D less than E. B greater C, B equals to C. Here B, here C. B greater than or equals to C means B greater C or B equals to C. That is the meaning. So B greater than C here also is there. B equals to C here also. Means this one or this one they are telling true. So they are not telling exactly true. That's why wrong. Here also wrong because we don't know which is true in these two. So both are false. Now we have to check it either or neither. Both are false. Subject, subject, B, B, predicate, C, C. Second condition also satisfied. Third condition, both signs should be satisfied. Here what are the both signs? Greater, equal. In conclusion, greater is there. Here equal. Here also equal is there. So it is either or conclusion means third answer. Answer 3. Next, A equals to B equals to C less than D less than or equals to E equals to F. First one, A less than F. Here A, here F. All equal signs is there. So equal means we can write it, shift it here. Directly I am writing A. A less than D less than or equal. Here also equal sign is there. I am writing F here, E here. So F. Less than or equals to. Less than or equals to what will come? Less than. So less than. A less than F. A less than F. It is true. Next, D less than E. Here see, D less than or equals to E. What is the meaning of this? D less than E or D equals to E. We don't know here which is exactly true. So either this one or this one. But here they are asking D less than E. So it is wrong. So only one is true. So answer first one. Thank you.